Welcome back. I'm Greg from our Oklahoma home. We showed you in a previous video how to remove an interior door. In this video, we're just going to show you how we went ahead and framed it so that we could install the drywall. There's always going to be things that you need to consider before you start a project. In this case, we needed to consider what was happening with the flooring where the door used to be. Now we already knew what was going to be happening with us because we're redoing both of our laundry room and our bathroom. But you do need to consider that before you build your wall. We knew that we were going to replace the flooring on both sides of the new wall. So we decided to cut out a pretty good chunk of the laminate flooring that was there to make the floor removal later on a little bit easier. I just set the depth of my circular saw to be the depth of the wood that we needed to cut out and went to town, not being very careful, knowing that I was going to rip all of it out eventually anyway. We always build our wall just usually out here in this hallway just because we've got enough room. We really only need the 3 studs, the 2 outside studs and then a middle stud, and that's just for hanging the drywall. There's nothing structural that'll be happening here. And I just want to make sure that this is my base plate. Since it's going against cement, I've got treated wood. This will be my top plate, but I just make sure that I mark so that my stud is going in the same place on both of them. And then of course the top plate will go up here. From here, we just used a framing nailer to nail it into the sides and the top of the existing wall. Hopefully that was helpful to you. Stick with us. We'll show you how to install the drywall in another video. As always, if you enjoy our videos, if they're helpful to you, please subscribe. Get the word out as we get started on this new adventure called YouTube.